Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We're going to do a price point video for Albufeira Old Town. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. Let's just give you guys a little price point. So we're just going to see, has it gone up? It obviously has. We've been here a few days now. So just to, normal inflation and everything else in between. Obviously, if you've been watching any of our previous price point videos, this is going to be more than it was last year, but that's normal. What we're going to find out is, has it gone up astronomical, or is it still quite cheap and affordable? You guys decide. And again, if this isn't a video you care about, or prices aren't an issue, check out all of our other footage and content than we have for Albufeira. But this is the price update. Hello! For the channel. Everyone's having a good time. The weather is absolutely stunning again today. So margarita pizza, €13. We went to Infinity, had a T-bone for 29. So all these sort of things, I think they're sort of reasonably priced. I think when you go on holiday, most people sort of budget for that. You're going to be spending more, depending if you come with a family. Solo, you're going to be more indulgent. So this is just a fun video to show you the current prices for the early season. And it is actually the start of the season officially today, which is quite exciting because, everything should be fully open. So if you are coming here soon, that's really exciting. So one scoop, €3. 2 €4.50, and that's nice cream. Try and walk nice and slow for you guys. So we've got tapas bar. Let's have a look. So you can get coffee and a cookie for €3. Vegan truffle, €3. Not bad. So we're just going to wander around at Old Town. There's going to be no sort of, I won't be able to get every single place, but I'll try my best to sort of, here we go, Catapilana. They do Sundays, they're closed, sorry. Let's have a little quick. Drinks, vegetarian. It's quite busy though. Right, so we're going to work our way around and sort of head towards the main square and everything. Drinks, I'm trying to think of last year. I think the drinks have gone up slightly as well, but again, you've got to bear in mind Old Town is more expensive than New Town. So if you are looking for a little bit more of a bargain, the New Town is probably going to be your cup of tea. And we have done a price point and we will be updating that as well. So if you do want to do a comparison, I will be having a price update for that one as well. But yeah, you can tell it's the end of the holiday because my voice is sounding hoarse. Is that the right word? Kirk's got really bad heartburn. So we'll go down here and work our way around. So golden bream, sea bass, €15. Pizzas ranging from 15 to 13, so 12 and 11.50. We've got Zanzi's restaurant. Again, I'll try and go as close as I can. It's the English one. Just so you guys can get as much price point as possible. You've got this place here, ribs and wings. So we've got pastas, 13 to 14, not bad. Got a Mexican restaurant there. Is that menu left on the side? Oh, hang on, my camera's messed up. This is a good opportunity to let you guys know to subscribe, like. Right, let me turn that back round. There we go. So having a little bit of a moment. So about 15 euros. So 12, 10. So yeah, between sort of 10 and 15 for your sort of main meals. Really pretty artwork though, isn't it? Look at that. Viva Mexico. Got another ribs and wings. So it's all you can eat as well. So, you know, if you want to do a sort of buffet. And obviously it's got like your burgers and everything else.
My friend from Jamaica.
What's the offers?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Yes, there we go. It's going to be getting busy soon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Today's our first day.
It's your first day?
Yeah. Where are you from?
We are from Bristol, so Wagwan Tours, and we're just sort of videoing around, just showing everyone the season's open, and yeah.
That is good.
So perfect, first day today. Good luck for the season.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye, you too. So we won't go up that way, we're going to head to the square. Now again, you have to bear in mind the square is going to be more premium because it is a landmark for Albufeira. So if you do go to Oldtown, you're going to go to the square. So if you've got a business or a restaurant there, just bear in mind it's probably going to be a little bit more overpriced for what it is because it can. So again, all of these things come into consideration. Don't want anyone getting offended by the prices or anything. It is what it is. We don't make them. These guys have got to, you know, pay their bills, taxes, all of that. So we have got some live acts. I might have to speak up a little bit. But yeah, so we got Sir Harry's. Again, this one's usually quite cheap. It is also really cheap for drinks as well. I think it's €3 for a beer. Might be wrong. Correct me if I am. Right, we'll have to go past quickly on this one because Vertigo's got a live performer. Hiya.
Jamaica. Welcome.
What's
to
your
Albufeira.
average prices if you were going to get like a steak or a burger?
I know.
Let's see if it's good. So
This is from Argentina.
lovely.
Quality.
Yeah.
Okay. Burgers as well.
Ah, lovely. So you got burgers.
Good ones.
Perfect. And you're fully open now.
Yeah.
Perfect. Ready for the season?
Ready for the season. Yes, ma'am. Are you ready for the
I
season?
am ready. Yeah, we're going to be here for one more night, and then we'll probably come back when it's even busier.
Okay. Welcome for a drink.
We will do. Thank you. Have a good day. So that was Central Station. Again, another really popular one. So we're just going to go to the one that's next door, which is Buddy's. We actually had food there the other day. And again, for the price, it's absolutely fine. Happy hour, you got your drinks, so glass of wine. Thank you. €3, $3.50 for a beer. And then I'll just show you guys the food. Okay. Thank you very much. Cheers. So yeah, that's a nice one. And again, you're right on the square. So you got everything in. This gets really busy now that the season has officially kicked off, which means I think Bank is actually open. I'm not hungry, but I'm doing some prices for our audience. So
Audience gonna be in evening here.
this is more evening, is it?
This street gonna be quite busy because they
Yeah.
just opened this Domino's.
I was going to say this wasn't open yesterday, was it?
There's live singer. He sings a lot of English songs.
Yeah.
A lot of British whales.
You're about to get really busy.
Yeah, and you can try with YOLO.
Yeah.
Because the owner is from Newcastle, so
Oh,
you can find your own
okay.
stuff.
Thank you. Enjoy your season. So yeah, this wasn't open yesterday, so we will be doing like an evening price point as well. So you can see your drink offers. But last night we went out and the cocktails were like €10. I think it was buy one get one free. In some places you get your shots. Corona was like €6 to €6.50. Same for like a Copperberg or bottled beers. So yeah, it's sort of hit and miss depending on where you go. But the people we were with last night, they did try a couple of the cocktails and they were really happy with it. So as long as you're getting the the good service and the drinks are nice and you're having a good time. Sometimes the price point doesn't matter. So you got YOLO. They do a bottomless roast every Sunday. I think it's €50, but you get a bottle of wine as well. Really, really nice place. And then you got the Indian rooftop terrace as well. You're all right. Just doing a price point video. What's the sort of average prices for your... perfect, thank you.
It's curry. And this is non-bread.
And you got the kids as well. Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a lovely season. Right, let's keep going round. So we're going to leave the square and we're just going to come to this outside bit. So we got another Mexican restaurant getting itself ready for the season. So you got to remember a lot of these places haven't opened during the sort of downtime. So some places will stay open all year round, some will open sort of early March, and others will wait until sort of the official date, which is April the 1st this year. Obviously it fluctuates depending on Easter. Let's have a look at this one. It's some nice breakfast options there. Yeah, of course.
We have pastas, ma'am.
Yeah.
Veg options, seafood pastas. We have vegetarian
Oh, hang on, let me
pasta.
make sure my camera's getting this. Yeah.
And we have the starters, sea starters, and bruschetta, fried snakes, and we have the pork, lamb, and beef.
Yeah.
And we have the seafood dishes, the steaks,
Prime beef, perfect.
yes, with stone,
Yeah.
and chicken. We have the risotto and salad.
Ah.
And we have the
Oh, sorry.
don't make the video. And we have the pizzas also. If you want.
Pizzas as well.
Can I just look for you?
Yeah.
We have the pizzas,
Yeah.
and inside we have the platter for 2 persons.
Ah, lovely. Perfect. Thank you so much for sharing that. So, if you guys are coming here, that's the prices for this season. Thank you so much. Cheers. So as you can see, everything's like fully open now, which is really good. And Easter's 2 days away from when this video was made. Obviously, depending on when you're watching it, it may have passed and gone. So we've got this place as well, brunch. Let's have a look at the menu. Again, my camera doesn't zoom, so do check out the places online. This is the Free Harps above, sorry. We do love that place. We went and had Guinness there last night. A little bit pricey for the Guinness, but it is a Guinness, and I feel like they're pricey anywhere you go unless you go into your local Wetherspoon. And there isn't a Wetherspoon here. Your drink prices. I'm going to do more of a drink breakdown in the evening because that just makes more sense. This is more food focused, but obviously if I see a good deal, I'll let you guys know. So we got the karaoke D&C. Let's give you guys the price points here. They're just like average sort of sandwich, so your club sandwich, tuna salad. So yeah, you got your sort of pub grub, which is nice. So they do breakfast here, Piccadilly breakfast, £8.50, English €7. Then you've got your sort of more jackets, food, specials, and everything in between. We actually had some drinks here last night. Yeah, it's really nice because you've got the inside, which is quite small, but the outside is a lot bigger. So taxi rank is straight ahead. I'm going to take a right. So this place is like sandwiches, daily cocktails €7, large beer for €1.50. And then we're going to head to all sort of like Vegas, show you guys that. And then we'll probably wrap it up really. I feel like they're the main sort of places if you are going to eat in Old Town. Obviously there is so many restaurants. Do comment below where you love to eat, what's your favourite place, and everything in between. Ah, it's an old favourite. If you've watched the channel, you will know. How are you?
Good.
How are you? You ready for the season?
Yeah, ready, more than ready.
Thank you, bye-bye. Then you've got these ones along here. Again, these are more sort of later on in the evening. So they're getting ready more for sort of after dinner. So we're just going to head up around this corner because obviously we want to... Not now, I'm working. So you've got your little market bit here as well. We're sticking to food. So this place is back open. Wish your... Oh, that's nice, isn't it? And again, they do takeaway. That's nice. Definitely need takeaway after drinking. Just slow it down. You guys can see the prices. So you got that taxi rank that way, and then we're just going up back round here towards the beach. So we've done like basically a big sort of circle. If you've been here, you sort of probably know the route already. If you haven't, it's really easy to sort of navigate yourself around once you're in Old Town. It's quite nice to have a little wander up all like the little streets and everything. It's always different depending on what day you come. Right, so we've got a nice little restaurant here. Let's have a look at the prices. Let's do this one first. So early bird menu, always nice. $24.90. So we got Infinity and a few pasta places down here. We did Infinity yesterday and the Mexican, and then we're just going to come to this beachfront. There we go, paella. We had noticed now the Catapluna is around sort of €50 for two, which is pretty standard, even though it was about 30 a couple of years ago, so it has increased. Let me know if you agree. So they've got a special on this one today. Chicken pre-pre, €12.50. And again, these ones are really nice because you've got the beach view. Right, on that note, I think I'm going to end it here. So that was just giving you a rough idea of what the prices are for most of the restaurants in Old Town, with a few little takeaways and drink prices sort of put in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. These videos really do help everyone who's coming to the area. So if you did enjoy it, give it a little thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.